Can you type faster on a mechanical keyboard? Work rift. While you may hear things that lead you to believe that typing on a mechanical keyboard may speed up your typing, this is very improbable. Whatever keyboard you choose, you will always have your own distinct typing speed. Certain elements associated with the keyboard you are using may affect your typing speed, although they are not entirely dependent on the kind of keyboard you are using. If you're using an unfamiliar keyboard, whether it's a new one or a friend's, it's alien to your touch and will take some time to adjust before you can resume your normal typing pace. If you are used to using a membrane keyboard and then switch to a mechanical keyboard, it will take some time to adjust. If it's been a while since you cleaned your keyboard, you may notice that it's less efficient at typing than it previously was. However, none of these factors should have a significant impact on your typing speed. They should only affect it by a few words per minute, so unless you are typing competitively, is that a thing? You should have no need to be concerned. The important point to remember is that no keyboard will significantly increase your typing speed. A keyboard will not miraculously increase your typing speed. And the simplest approach to increase your typing speed is via practice and devotion to understanding how to increase your typing speed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.